Termux versus UserLAnd, which is better for running Linux on Android. Choosing the right platform can completely change how you experience Linux on your mobile device without the hassle of complex setups. Let's explore both options. Termux and UserLAnd are two popular applications for running Linux on Android. The core difference lies in their approach. Termux provides a command line interface, while UserLAnd offers a graphical user interface, catering to different user preferences and needs. Termux is a powerful terminal emulator for Android that brings the Linux command line to your mobile device. It allows users to install a variety of Linux packages and tools directly from the command line, making it ideal for developers and tech enthusiasts. Termux operates in a lightweight environment, providing a seamless experience without requiring root access. Its strengths include extensive package support, a customizable interface, and the ability to run scripts and automate tasks. However, its limitations lie in the lack of a graphical interface, which may deter users who prefer visual interactions. Termux is best suited for users who are comfortable with command line operations and seek a robust development environment on their Android devices. UserLAnd offers a different approach by allowing users to run full Linux distributions with a graphical user interface on their Android devices. It supports popular distributions like Ubuntu and Debian, enabling users to access a familiar desktop environment. UserLAnd simplifies the installation process by providing a straightforward setup wizard, making it accessible even for those less experienced with Linux. Its strengths include the ability to run multiple distributions simultaneously and the convenience of a graphical interface, which appeals to users who prefer a desktop-like experience. However, it may consume more resources than Termux and could be less responsive on lower-end devices. UserLAnd is ideal for users who want a full Linux experience on their mobile devices without diving deep into command line usage. When comparing Termux and UserLAnd, consider your usage scenario. If you are a developer or someone who enjoys working with command line tools, Termux's lightweight nature and extensive package support make it a superior choice. It allows for quick installations and script automation, perfect for coding on the go. On the other hand, if you prefer a graphical interface and the familiarity of a desktop environment, UserLAnd stands out. It provides a more user-friendly experience for those who may not be comfortable with command line operations. However, keep in mind that UserLAnd may require more device resources, which could impact performance on older devices. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize command line efficiency or a graphical interface for your Linux experience. For users who are comfortable with command line operations and need a lightweight solution, Termux is the recommended choice. For those who prefer a graphical interface and a full Linux experience, UserLAnd is the way to go. Each platform has its strengths, so choose based on your personal preference and needs.